Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you some simple and fast tips and tricks in Excel and how to separate columns with multiple values on it. This is quite useful when you have some big Excel data and some big tables. It can save you a lot of time and a lot of work. So, in the first example, we have column 1 that we need to be separated in two different columns. The column 1 is consisted with word test and number separated by dot. So we need to select the column we want to get separated, go to the Data tab, click Text to Columns. In the next window, pay attention that the radio button delimited is selected. Go Next, uncheck the tab and check the checkbox Other. In the empty box, type the character that it's in the column by which it should be separated. In this case, that's dot. Press dot. This is the preview how it's going to be on the end. Go Next. Leave this window as it is. Finish, and that's it. Quite easy and really helpful. In the next example, second example, we want column 1 to get separated in three different columns. The column 1 is consisted with the word, number, and word. Whatever, it can be numbers. 2, 3, 4 to say, or only words. Okay, again, select the column you want to separate, go to the Data tab, click Text to Columns, delimited need to be selected, click Next. Okay, pay attention now. If you leave the dot and go Next, nothing will happen. Why? Because we don't have a dot here. We need to back and press the proper punctuation mark. So we have now semicolons. This is a preview again. Go Next, leave this windows as it is, finish, and that's it. It's quite easy. Okay guys, that is for today. Have a nice day.